Good evening, respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we bring before you one of the most furious and inspiring episodes from Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu, the story of Narasimha Avatar.
This tale is not of peace, not of calmness, but of Raudraras, the ruse of anger, fury, and destruction of evil.
Long ago, there lived a mighty demon king, Hiranyakashipu, who was blinded by arrogance.
His heart was filled with cruelty, his tongue only spoke of his power, and his ears refused to hear the name of Lord Vishnu.
But destiny had other plans. Even in his own palace, his son Prahlad was devoted to Lord Vishnu, chanting his holy name with unshakable faith.
He, enraged by his son's devotion, Hiranyakashipu thundered, "Where is your Vishnu? Show me, is he in this pillar too?"
And with that, he struck the pillar with all his might. The skies trembled, the earth shook, and the universe held its breath.
From that very pillar emerged a sight never seen before, neither man nor beast, but the fierce form of Narasimha, half lion, half man.
His eyes burned like fire, his roar echoed through heavens, his claws were sharper than the weapons forged by God themselves.
He was not Vishnu the preserver, but the Vishnu in his Raudra Swaroop, here to protect his devotee and end the tyranny.
And with that, Narasimha seized Hiranyakashipu, dragged him to the threshold, neither inside nor outside, put him on his lap, neither on earth nor in sky, and with his divine fury, he tore apart the mighty demon king at the twilight hour, neither day nor night.
Such is the power of Raudraras, the divine anger that rises not for selfishness, but to destroy evil and restore dharma.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let us witness this fierce, electrifying performance of Narasimha Avatar in Raudraras.
एक ही नाम जीवन के सारे कष्टों का समाधान है। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
मैं प्रहलाद को मृत्यु दंड देता हूँ।
छोड़ दो प्रहलाद, विष्णु को छोड़ दो। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
विष्णु ना मेरी मृत्यु घर के भीतर हो सकती है, ना घर के बाहर, ना धरती पर और ना आकाश में। सजीव या निर्जीव किसी भी शस्त्र से मेरी मृत्यु नहीं हो सकती।
मूर्ख, देख मुझे, ना मैं नर हूँ और ना ही पशु। मैं हूँ नरसिंह। ढलते सूर्य की ओर देख, अब ना तो दिन है और ना ही रात, ना तो घर के भीतर है और ना बाहर। देख, तू चौखट पर है, ना तू धरती पर है, ना आकाश में। तू मेरी जंगा पर है। और रही बात शस्त्र की, तो देख मेरे नखों को, ये ना तो सजीव है और ना निर्जीव।
Simha
दुष्ट जन, सिंह की ये गर्जना से भस्म हुए धूर्त सब, धड़ से होगा सर अलग, टुकड़े होंगे आदरियों के, हरी हुए उग्र से हरी हुए रुद्र। दंत नख है भौह अब तनी, चल पड़े तो मर गए जितने भी असुर थे यहाँ, बह रही खराब लाल